Hello, good morning, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. This morning, we're gonna do a little skincare routine because I haven't been the best about taking care of my skin lately. I already washed my face in the shower. I use the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. Got my hair out of my face. I have a little skincare thing. I have like 3 of them. I can't even find one of them. Of course, my hands are clean. Clean hands for clean skin. First things first, I'm the realist. I got this it's the Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. I saw a TikTok and I bought it. Basically, it was this girl who was talking about hyperpigmentation and how this saved her life, and I bought it because I'm easily influenced by the media. I also need some chapstick because every time I wash my face, my lips dry up, and I can't work in society like that. Oh yes. Much better. So it says to apply before moisturizer. Okay, so I'm gonna do this first. Ooh, look at it. Little pellets. How much is it? 1 shot. What is this consistency? It's not oily. Next, I have my Naturium Vitamin C Complex Serum. This has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. Vitamin A is really good for scars. I have gotten many scars in my life from injuries that I could have controlled. Like this one time I went to a park and I grabbed a stick and I was playing with it and I like sliced my chest a little bit. Could have totally prevented that. Vitamin E, no scar. You get like the little vitamin E pellets, you cut it open, squeeze the juice, put it on, no scar. I don't know how it works with scars that you already formed, but like healing scars, gone. Next, moisturizer. I'm using the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Really get in there. Really, don't forget your neck. Massage. And to seal the deal, Supergoop Play Everyday Lotion, Sunscreen, SPF 50. You know how I am obsessed with this product. Take the time to really give yourself some TLC in the morning. You're waking up. Maybe you wish you slept longer, maybe you overslept. Whatever the circumstance is, maybe you have a hard day ahead. Take these 5-10 minutes. Really give yourself some love. Skin is feeling fabulous, feeling fresh. It's the little things. It's the little things that really transform my day. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of computer work. There's some emails that I need to answer that I have been meaning to, have had no time the past few days. And I need to edit and upload today's TikTok. I usually like to upload it by 9 o'clock. It's currently 9:28. And it's not done being edited. It's done being like cut. I have to caption it. So I have to caption my TikTok and post it. 1, answer emails. 2, caption TikToks. 3, probably answer comments because I'm behind on that, both on YouTube and TikTok. So let's get to work this morning. Emails have been answered. Now I'm just working on an Instagram story, promote my Vlogmas video so you guys can watch it. I love how the new Instagram link feature, everyone's allowed to post a link. Not just people who have over a certain amount of followers, because clearly some of us didn't. And we wanted to share some things. So I'm glad that that is up so we can all share links to things we love. I think it's cool to see how content creators actually create content and like everything that they do. Because I feel like when I watched YouTube, specifically in that like YouTube golden era, people just posted, but they never talked about the behind the scenes, and they never talked about like how they did things. So now that everyone's being transparent and I love it, I want to share more of that. This is the reality of making content. I spent a lot of my day like this. Just posting, captioning, making sure everything is live, making sure is the word. Just making sure that everything is good, making sure that we're looking good, making sure that it's uploaded, making sure that I'm replying to comments. Making sure is the word. Everything has been posted, uploaded, captioned, commented. I do need to answer more YouTube comments and TikTok comments, but first let me do a stretch. Let's all stretch together. Come on, everyone, get up. I know, just get up. Let's get the blood pumping. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. Stretch. Do shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls. To the side. Roll. and roll. And roll, and roll, and roll. Now to the most anticipated part of Vlogmas, the Vlogmas sweater. Creative meeting is in session. Here's the thing though. I put patchwork sweater on Pinterest and it's not what I thought my brain thought came up. A lot of like knitted sweaters came up and I'm like, do I want to knit a sweater? But then I kept scrolling and I saw a vest. This vest. What about a Vlogmas sweater vest? It won't have the word Vlogmas on it. It'll just be patchwork. Maybe instead of the smiley face, I'll do a Christmas tree. This is so funny that I think I can do this. I probably can. I'm gonna have to learn a lot of new skills. Let me know what you think. I think it'd be cute. I think it'd be so cute. And then when people see me with my sweater, be like, oh my goodness, where'd you get that from? I made it. This is one of the things that I wish I had an iPad for with an Apple Pencil. Wait, I think I do have an iPad mini somewhere in this room. I swear there's an iPad somewhere in here. Somewhere in here, there's an iPad. I didn't find my iPad, but I did find my reusable straws that I knew I had, and I didn't want to buy new ones because I knew I had them somewhere in here. Found them. And a jewelry holder for my necklaces. I'm like 80% sure that the iPad is here. I don't think I brought it home. The only thing that I achieved from that hunt was sweat, because I haven't found the iPad. Maybe I did bring it home. Okay, since I couldn't find my iPad, we're gonna do a virtual, kind of like a mood board, kind of an inspiration of what is happening. This is the inspiration photo. This is what we're going for. Maybe I won't make it like a full clothes vest. Maybe I'll put buttons and get crazy and razzle dazzle. I don't want to promise too much, over promise, because I don't even know if I can put this together. I know I have the ability to crochet and I know I can make squares. Will it look good? That's the question. So it seems like there's 9 squares at the back, 9 squares at the front, with the top one missing, these two being kind of like a triangle motion. Now, color schemes, we're talking browns, browns, and browns with some sort of white. So we have the white rim for the edge. So this is the edge. Got the white yarn for that. And then for the squares, we're gonna do a couple shades of brown. I say we do 3 shades of brown. So I say we do a dark brown, a medium brown, and a light beige. These are our 3 colors of browns that we're gonna do in order to pattern it together. So we're gonna need 9. Should I do 3 shades of brown or 2? Because I could do like a checkered. So light brown, dark brown, light brown, dark brown, light brown, dark brown, light brown, dark brown, light brown. You see this? This is option A. I need your help, okay? Option A. Option B is we can do dark, medium, light, light, dark, medium, medium, light, dark is another option that we can do. Or we can do light, medium, and then dark. Which one do you like the best? A, B, or C? So those are for the pattern. So we have the white border, and now we have the pattern, and I'm gonna do a Christmas tree in one of them. In number 8, I'm gonna do a Christmas tree, maybe like a muted green so it matches with the brown color. So this is the big picture. This is what I want to achieve, and we have brainstormed. I wish I had an iPad so I could like draw all this out as we're going. I tried screen recording on my computer. I have no storage. I am the storage problem queen. But that is the idea of the Vlogmas sweater. Let me know what you think. Give me your input. Should I do A, B, or C? I'll probably get the materials for this when I go to work this weekend, and then we'll start it next week. We can do like a little bit each day, and then one day we'll just sit down and put everything together. So each day I'll do like a little square, because I don't think the squares will take me that long. Like if I watch a Netflix show, do a couple squares. I only need 18 squares, like front and back. Again, minus like the top, and then I think I might need 2 squares on each side. We'll measure the size of my square versus like the size of my chest, and then we'll get that together. So today was just the brainstorm, the idea. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you think. Cool, that is a mouthful. I need some water, but thank you guys so much for watching today's Vlogmas. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at natasha.matherin, on my TikTok at Natasha's Closet, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.